year ago, so I started to feel the necessity to express myself and create my own aesthetic. My artistic background trained me to explore and get inspired by the beauty of any kind. I've been working in the fashion industry for over a decade, and research always been a very important aspect of the process, creating mood boards, color palette, and exploring different drawing techniques. At present, Mother Nature is the theme of my paintings. I do believe that we all need to be reconnected and take care of it.